Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in two currency pairs, British Pound US Dollar, Euro USD currency pairs. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers where we discuss about possible trading opportunities and clarify queries on trading ideas. Please use the link placed in the description section for joining our Telegram group. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame of British Pound US Dollar currency pairs. So as mentioned earlier, it is still moving in a channel pattern. It has formed lower low, again lower low, lower high. Again it is trying to form a lower low. And presently it is finding support on the present support level, but it's gradually coming down. And when we see the overall price actions also, it has gone up, retracement, then forming a double top pattern, again going up, again forming a double top pattern, then going down, again forming a double top pattern. I don't see the present market having any bullish trend for now. It is sort of consolidating from here. So if it manages to break this support level, we can expect it to test this next level of support. But looks like present level is holding very strongly. We can expect the market to test on this support level of the channel pattern, test on this mid resistance level, and again retrace and start its downtrend. Presently I cannot see any sort of bullish trend in this market for now from the daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I'm in hourly time frame now. So these are all the resistance level and support level from the daily time frame, and I have drawn a support and resistance level. This was acting as a very strong resistance, and it has broken this resistance level and tested this midline of the channel pattern of daily time frame, but it didn't have enough strength to go further on the bullish side. It has retraced and again it is in a bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now, and currently when we notice the price action in 30 minutes time frame, we can clearly notice that it is forming into a very nice channel pattern inside 30 minutes time frame. Already I can see it is taking resistance over here. We can expect the market to reverse back and test this support line, again break this support line and test this channel pattern of the 30 minutes, or even come further and test this support line of the daily time frame support level. Support level from the daily time frame is still holding, so we cannot expect a further fall. But on the other hand, if it breaches this support line, we can expect a steep fall from here, and we can expect it to test this next level of support, which is around 1.300. Let us mark the trading ranges for today. Since we know that it is a range bound market and it is on the bearish side, we will mark the ranges in the bearish side. So this is going to be acting as a bottommost support. Presently it has taken support at this level, and this is the present resistance. Next level of resistance is going to be here, and next resistance is going to be here, and on the upside next level of resistance is going to be here, and final resistance is going to be here at the midline of the channel pattern of daily time frame. These are all the ranges for today. If it breaks this support level of the channel pattern from daily time frame, we can expect a further fall and test this bottommost support level, which is around at this level 1.309. Let us see how market goes today. Let us do the analysis in Euro USD. I'm in daily time frame of Euro USD currency pairs, and we can see that still the downtrend is very strong. It is still trading within a bearish channel pattern, and the trend reversal has not happened. Currently it is taking support on the dynamic support of the weekly time frame. This is a very strong support level, and it is trying to breach this level, and we can see also the red color line, which is also next level of support line from the daily time frame also. So both of these are holding the market from falling further, but if it breaches this level, we can expect it to take next level of support at this level, which is around 1.096 693. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I'm in hourly time frame now. In hourly time frame, we can mark the support and resistance level. This is going to be the resistance level, and this is again the resistance level. Hourly time frame ranges, it has bridged this support level of this weekly time frame, and it is trading between this support and resistance level of daily time frame and weekly time frame. So as long as it is moving within this channel pattern, we can expect the bearish trend to continue. So even if it bridges this level, we can expect it to take resistance at this level and retrace and test the support level. Next level of support is going to be here and continue with downside momentum. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame and mark the trading ranges for today. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Currently the price action is moving within this channel pattern, and also we know that it is a bearish market. Let me mark the trading ranges within this channel pattern. So currently it is testing this resistance level. Next level of resistance is going to be here. If it breaks this resistance level, next resistance is going to be over here, and support is going to be around here. Next level of support is going to be here, and next level of support is going to be over here. Let us see how market moves today, but I'm still expecting the bearish market to continue. Mark these ranges in your chart and decide your entry and exit based on the support and resistance level. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.